Hi, I'm Cath Molloy, and I've just been watching over around 30 presentations here in Hong Kong and China. And what's really interesting is we are still trying to kill people, death by PowerPoint and monotone. So, I was saying to some of the speakers, don't be so arrogant to think that you don't need speaker training, and to liven the audience up and show your story, not just tell it. So if you're really interested in having a great, powerful presentation, then contact us at Speakers Institute. We're delivering boot camps in Singapore, in India, in Australia, and no doubt in your country soon. But don't let that hold you back. Fly in and come and speak with some real speakers that will help you deliver that powerful message. Speak soon.